Most students get confused when they see word problems like this in exams. Let's see if you can solve it before I do. Pause the video and try it first. The biggest mistakes students make is not knowing how to turn words into equations. Some students try random numbers or guesswork. In exams, guessing wastes time. We need a method. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step 1, it says the product of two consecutive. Now, when we say consecutive integers, it means numbers that follow each other. If you want to know the meaning of integers and the different types of numbers, you can click on the links on the top right corner. Now back to class. Step 1, let the first integer be equal to x. That is our first integer. Then let the next integer be x plus 1. Remember, when we say consecutive, it means numbers that follow each other. So if I have first number as 1, second number will be what? 2. If I have first number as 10, the second number should be 11. Understood? So it says the product. Product means multiplication. So it means that I will multiply x by x plus 1. It says the product of two consecutive integers is 132. So it means that the first integer multiplied by the second integer will be equal to 132. So this is the equation that you have to get from your work. So what next? X times x is x squared plus x times plus 1 is plus x equal to 132. Now, our next step is to bring all the terms to one side. So I'll bring 132 to the left-hand side. So we now have x squared plus x plus 132 comes to the left, becomes minus 132 equal to 0. So how do we solve this? We have to factorize. To factorize, we need two numbers that when multiplies gives us negative 132, and when we add it up, it will give us 1, because x here means 1. Okay? So those two numbers are minus 12 and 11. Those two numbers are 12 and minus 11. Let's check. 12 times minus 11 is what? It's negative 132. 12 plus minus 11, that will give us what? 1. Because plus minus is minus. So 12 minus 11 is 1. So 12 and minus 11 are two numbers that multiply to give us minus 132. And when we add it up, we get 1. So therefore, we now have x plus 12 and x minus 11 equal to 0. Our next step is to equate each of these factors to 0. So x plus 12 equal to 0 will give us x equal to what? minus 12. And x minus 11 equal to 0 will give us x equal to 11. So therefore, our answer for x is x equal to minus 12 or x equal to 11. If x is equal to minus 12, our two consecutive numbers will be minus 12 and minus 11. And if x is equal to 11, our two consecutive numbers will be 11 and 12. So our final answer is minus 12 and minus 11 or 11 and 12. All right, let's do a quick check. The question says if the product of two consecutive numbers is 132, so we multiply minus 12 by minus 11, so minus 12 times minus 11, the minus sign cancel out, so we have 12 times 11 gives us 132, or 11 times 12, 11 times 12 gives us 132. So our answer is correct. Listen, the key to solving word problem is 1, to define variables, 2, translate words into equations, and 3, solve the equation step by step. Did you try guessing or did you form the equations? Comment I used equations if you got it right. See you in our next video.